Hello YouTube, this is Jay Ersinghouse. I am here late at night. It's about 2:10. I have been reading up on the article released about 2 days ago by the Physics Journal G on nuclear and particle physics. Now, it took me a while to read this. It's a fairly long peer-reviewed journal, specifically this one highlighting the safety of the LHC and how it's really of no significant energy as opposed to the normal reactions that occur in our atmosphere every day. Now, basically, this is a highly technical article. I had to read with much, really good interpretation of what was, being said. It went on from strangelets, to micro black holes, to how Hawking radiation applies to these microscopic black holes, and how if the cosmic radiation, collisions don't, if that magnitude of energy doesn't create so what I understood is if that magnitude of energy doesn't create the a black hole big enough to sustain itself without evaporating, it's some fifth dimensional theorem I read one time on Hawking radiation. But basically, this article states, and it's been peer reviewed. This is official by at least a good physics majority here, that this is safe by peer review. This is unbiased. This isn't scientists just awaiting, the go-ahead or the sugarcoating. This is, if you look, it has several plots of scientific data. These are all cosmic rays, the energy levels that have been calculated by over a dozen detectors. It's got the environment that we'll be using in the LHC, the things that occur like vacuum bubbles and magnetic monopoles, more energy levels, and also the number of particles of proton packages they'll be using. It was really hard. There are several equations they used, really intelligent stuff. Basically, what I'm saying here is that there's no cause for alarm at all. This is all these videos of doomsday and the LHC and Nostradamus, basically can kiss my ass, because, well, I've read the data for myself, used my physical intuition and perception of physics, the knowledge that I do have, and I have determined in my own mind that this is okay. With good reason, because, well, I understand what they're saying and it is plausible and makes sense. However, that 1 in 50 million chance of whatever, blah blah blah, Hawking radiation. I'm pretty sure a physicist could tell me where my gaps are in this small theory, but for the most part, I think they all agree that this is going to be safe. And woo, next Wednesday, I tell you what, buy some stock in CERN, man. Jay Ersinghouse, it is what it is.